this experiment we shall use an air truck to measure the acceleration. For this experiment we require an air pump which is connected to an air truck, a glider on top of the air truck. There is a card attached to the glider, light gate and the timer 1, and another light gate and the timer 2. A string is attached to the glider which at the other end passes over a pulley, and we connect a carrier to the end of the string. We require to measure the distance between the two sensors. Instead of measuring from center to center, we shall measure from one face to the other face of the next light gate. So we use a measuring tape to measure the distance between the two light gates from the first face to the second face, and we find this is 59 centimeters. We start the experiment by switching on the air pump so that air is pumped out. The air lifts the glider, we release the glider, and the card passes through the light beams so that it will give us 2 timings. We prepare to catch the glider at the other end, which is important to avoid rebounding. We take the readings for time 1 and we take the reading for time 2. We record the data, and from the data we can calculate the initial velocity to be 0.625 meters per second and the final velocity to be 1.1 meters per second. Now, using v squared equals u squared plus 2as rearranging formula, we can also calculate the acceleration as 0.69 meters per second squared.